Guys, I'm going to pick up my car.
I've learned that there's an art to changing, that I'm the potter and the clay, I'm the canvas and the painter, the marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburnt wing of a heartbreak crush, is a rush, feel the rush.
Guys, good morning. So, time check, it is currently 6:18 in the morning. So, yan, kakalamos. Then, today is something special. Cause guys, I'm going to pick up my car. Yes guys, you heard it right. I finally have a car. Yung akin na. So, mamaya, I'm going to pick it up. Actually, na-release na siya sa akin na ilang days ago. So, sabi ko, parang, I want to share the experience with my parents. So, ngayon, pupuntahan namin. Well, actually, mamaya kasi may errands pa. So, yan, I'll just bring you guys along with me. So, let's go. Hey guys, so we're currently here at Suzuki. Yeah. So, yan, pipick upin ko na si Chino. Yan pa. Yan, mapasok na kami. So, yun. Here to you. Pero baka mag-breakfast na lang muna kami guys. Ano na muna kami? Dunkin. Wala pa kasi yung agent. Kaya naman. Okay. Guys, breakfast lang muna kami. Then mamaya kukuhanin ko na si Chino. Yes, I already named it. Dunkin. Let's go.
Buy in the grocery store.
Teka. Pwede natin sa mukha. Madumi pa yung labi mo. Puro ano, icing. Bumalik na kami. Hinihintay ko lang yung agent. Kasi bakit na daw siya papunta dito. Pero yan, tingin mo na kami lang. Yan. Pwede sumakay. Tayo nyo sumakay. Pag dumadaan ako, lagi ko nakikita yan. Hintay na ako. Guys, so ito na po. Nagdamit naman. Oh, gas. Kaya nga eh. Finally got it, guys. Thank you, Lord. Answered prayer, guys. Nilapit ko lang din. Hey guys, good afternoon. Time check, it is currently 1:15 in the afternoon. So, I just did some errands. Kumuha lang ng sticker sa clubhouse. Then now, I'm gonna go to the mall para bumili ng mga accessories para kay Gino. So, ayun. Let's go. Hey guys, so finally found one. And this one, Hamas. Pampunas.
Shop sustainably with the Ace reusable heavy-duty bags that carry up to 15 kilos and is the perfect alternative to plastic bags. Make a difference now and get your Ace reusable bag today.
Hey guys, so just arrived home. Yeah. Pero lalagay ko na sa kanya kay Gino. So, you call this an unboxing. Kahit wala naman siya sa box. So yun. So guys. So, paano ba ito? Tatanggalin mo na ito. Okay. Then, sakto ba ito? Parang sakto. Kasi pinili ko yung maliit na sunshade for the car. Kasi may mga malaki, may mga maliit. Kasi lang na sa perfect. But if it gets the job done, then it's good. So yeah. Ano ba to? So white yung nasa labas. Akala ko yung okay. Yun lang. I think it's an old stock. Hindi kasi kita to guys ang sa loob. May detail kalawang na. Yeah, if you can see it. It's okay. Yun lang naman. Then also, ay, yan na si ate. Tapos mo lang ko ng chamis. Wait lang guys, susog ko lang yung car. Kasi dumating na si ate. Okay, wait. Wait lang guys. Hey guys, good morning. Time check, it is currently 10:28. And di ako nakapag-vlog kagabi na may kinabit na kasi akong accessory dito kay Gino. So bumili na ako ng steering wheel cover galing kay Dancy Vlogs. So meron silang store sa Lazada, Dancy store. So I'll link it down below. If din, naka Suzuki Espresso din kayo. Ito yung itsura guys. Yan. So yan yung itsura niya. Orange din yung pinili kong kulay. Yan. Ang cute. You know.